Hi there, in this video we're going to learn the Touch Type tool in Adobe Illustrator. And by the looks of this, we are going to pick some really bad fonts. Alright, let's go and learn how to use it now. Step 1, with your type tool, type some text. Okay, pick a font. I'm going to pick Trajan because I just wanted to show you there's some new open type fonts, SVG fonts that actually have color in them. Okay, cool thing about them is if I select on them, there's lots of different color options. Cool. Getting off the topic, let's grab the Touch Type tool. Okay, click and hold the Type tool. He's down the bottom here. Okay, and what you do is you click on a text, and there's basically all four corners plus this dot does something different. The baseline shift, you can either grab this button down the bottom left or just grab the center of it. It's probably easier. Cool. Next letter, bottom right does the width. Okay, that is a crime against fonts by doing either that or the top down. You're not allowed to squish fonts, and you're not allowed to do that. It's the rules. Top right, okay, is fine because we can resize it. That's okay, height and width. So not breaking any type laws. This one here, the little dot at the top is rotation. Okay, so you can grab these guys, rotate it, move it up, grab this guy, move them in. Okay, so you can kind of build this kind of complex looking bit of type. And the cool thing about it is that it is still editable. Okay, because we could break the type apart and do it, but you wouldn't get the option to pick new colors of fonts. Awesome, huh? So you can change the font. Okay, I'm going to make a couple of copies, Command D or Control D to get a few versions. And you can pick I picked Trajan, terrible. Let's go the full terrible font list. Let's go Papyrus. Okay, let's change it to, what's another bad one? Brush Script. These are all like continued font tragedies. Comic Sans, the worst offender of them all. Cool. There's a little bit of a quick tutorial. Why? Because I don't use it very much. I feel like you should know it though as an advanced user. Yeah, because I guess you can go through and change the type now, which is cool. Yeah. So if you're doing some sort of ransom letter, I feel like that could be quite cool for it. Yeah, you can go and use the Touch Type tool. All right, that is going to be it for this section on advanced type, all these extra videos. Yeah, let's get on to the next section.